Hey, yeah, this you probably are watching. Yeah, well, sorry, but I got my dog. My dog was outside. So he sleeps with me. He takes up like the whole bed, like literally. He takes up. I sleep right there. I sleep on the very edge, and the dog takes up that whole spot. I try to move him sometimes, or sometimes he goes under the covers and like sleeps under there, which I don't even know how that's possible because it's like super hot under there, and he has hair, fur all over his body. Is that right, Coda? Coda! Don't be embarrassed. It's funny when he does that. But, hey, why do you have my phone? Give me my phone back. It's my phone. Coda, what are you doing? You don't know what you're doing. Yeah, well, got my dog. It is now, if you can see it this time, 10:48. Yeah. I have the music playing, or the radio playing in the background. You can probably hear it right now. Wait. Hey, Kush. Kush. Stop it. I don't know. But, yeah. This one's the one that's been peeing on the movie room carpet. Not my sister's, but on the movie room. God. He's the best dog in the world. He's 7. Yeah, he's older than my brother by 2 or 3 months. I don't know. I don't know my months. No, I do, but I just don't. I don't know. I don't remember them like in order by heart. Yeah, if you hear that noise, I'm playing with the thing that pops out of the side of this flip camera. I am not, I don't know, but it's fun to play with. Oh, I think it's broken. Whatever. So yeah, I just want to show you my dog. It's my dog. And the radio's over there playing. I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, that's it. So goodbye.